The legend is back. The name that defined muscle car heritage is roaring onto the streets once again. The 2026 Pontiac GTO. It's more than a revival. It's a resurrection of raw American power, reborn for a new generation that refuses to settle for silence. When you hear GTO, you think of the golden era, the wide body stance, the screaming V8, and the smell of burning rubber on a summer night. Pontiac might have vanished from the map, but the GTO's soul never died. And now, it's back with vengeance. The 2026 GTO doesn't just bring nostalgia, it brings domination. Under that sculpted hood lies a 6.6-liter twin-turbo V8 pushing out a monstrous 780 horsepower and 720 pound-feet of torque. That's right, this isn't some hybrid poser wearing a classic badge. This is full-blooded American muscle. It rockets from 0 to 60 in just 2.9 seconds, thanks to an advanced all-wheel drive system borrowed and refined from GM's latest performance lineup. You feel every ounce of that power? But unlike the brutal, unrefined muscle cars of the past, this beast delivers precision and control that'll make European rivals sweat. Step around it, and the design instantly hits that sweet spot between retro and modern aggression. The front fascia screams intimidation. Twin LED halos housed in blacked-out nostrils that echo the original GTO grille. The hood bulge is functional, not for show, feeding those twin turbos with cold air. Sharp, muscular lines run across the side, blending vintage proportions with futuristic aerodynamics. Around back, the quad exhaust setup and slim taillights create a menacing look that leaves an impression even after it's long gone from your view. And that rear badge, GTO, sits proudly under the smoked glass panel, glowing red when you hit the brakes. Pontiac may be gone, but that badge is alive, hotter than ever. Open the door, and the new GTO's interior delivers a punch of modern luxury and race-ready focus. The cabin is wrapped in Alcantara and carbon fiber, with just enough retro touches to remind you of its roots, like the twin-pod dash and analog rev counter integrated into the digital display. A massive 14-inch curved screen takes center stage, running GM's latest hyperdrive OS, with Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and even AI-based driving modes that adapt to your style. Slip into the driver's seat and the bolstered leather grips you tight. It's a cockpit built for warriors, not commuters. A flat-bottom steering wheel with brushed aluminum paddle shifters gives you full command of the beast, while the GTO-exclusive Launch Fury button lights up the dash with red energy before blasting you down the strip. When it comes to sound, forget the quiet, muffled tones of today's electric trend. The 2026 GTO roars like a thunderstorm on demand. A newly engineered exhaust system delivers an authentic V8 growl that builds into a scream at high revs. No fake sound pumping, no trickery. It's pure mechanical music. But if you need stealth mode, a quiet start function keeps your neighbors from hating you. At least until you leave the driveway. On the road, the GTO's driving dynamics are breathtaking. Adaptive magnetic suspension keeps it composed in corners, while launch control and torque vectoring give it supercar-level grip. Despite its size and power, it feels nimble and confident, a perfect balance between raw muscle and modern tech. It's the kind of car that reminds you, driving isn't just transportation, it's an experience. It's about connection, adrenaline, and the simple joy of unleashing power that makes your heart race. Safety hasn't been ignored either. The 2026 GTO packs all the modern features: lane keep assist, collision avoidance, 360-degree cameras, adaptive cruise, and even GM's next-gen track vision mode that records your laps, measures G-forces, and provides live telemetry right on the HUD. But the most important safety system is still you, the driver, because a car like this demands respect. Pricing starts at around $98,000 for the base trim. But don't let the word base fool you. You're still getting supercar performance for less than 6 figures. The fully loaded GTO Redline Edition, with ceramic brakes, carbon aero kit, and limited production serial numbers, will push around $130,000. That might sound steep, but considering the performance and heritage you're getting, It's a bargain in a world where European brands charge double for less heart and soul. For collectors and enthusiasts, Pontiac's return through the GTO marks something deeper. It's a statement. It's proof that the American spirit of speed and freedom is alive. GM has confirmed that production will be limited, ensuring exclusivity, with each car carrying a serialized plaque that reads, "Built for the Legends." It's not just a car. It's a time machine built for the future. And yes, there's even talk of an all-electric GTO variant arriving by 2028. But make no mistake, the 2026 model is all about the raw, unfiltered essence of driving. It's gasoline, fire, and rebellion bottled into a machine that doesn't apologize for being loud. This is for the gearheads, the purists, and everyone who still believes the best part of a day is found behind the wheel. From the moment you fire up that twin-turbo V8 and feel the rumble shake the ground, you'll know the GTO isn't just another reborn nameplate. It's a message to the world that America still builds legends. Every drive is a salute to the golden era, every shift a reminder that real muscle never dies. It just evolves faster, stronger, louder. So here it is, the 2026 Pontiac GTO, a symbol of power, pride, and passion roaring back to life to reclaim its throne. The streets have been quiet for too long. Now it's time to wake them up.